welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, come back often. My whole goal is to do things that will make you happy, healthy, and help you on your road to success on WW. So Edye's WW Kitchen is here for you. I want to thank Joan at Joan's Pointed Plate and Amanda Lewis for inviting me on this collab. There's a lot of us on here and you guys are going to have a wealth of knowledge. Click on every one of those links down there and check out each one of those channels. You're just going to feel like you've entered into happy Weight Watchers land by clicking on those links and seeing what they have to offer. I made two things for you. The first thing I made for you is a Weight Watchers friendly macaroni salad. Hello! Who doesn't want macaroni salad in the summertime? Da, da, da. Y'all need to make the macaroni salad. It's only 3 points per serving. And each serving's between a half cup and 3/4 of a cup. Not bad. The other thing that I'm making for you is taco pie, and I'm gonna link the video to my previous thing about taco pie in here, but I am gonna show you I made miniatures this time. I made 10 individual pies instead of just one big pie. So it's wonderful. The points are 4 for each one of those individual taco pies, and trust me, they're delicious. So if this is interesting to you, stay tuned. Okay. For this macaroni salad, you're going to need 2 8-ounce bags of the Fiber Gourmet Light Elbows cooked and drained. You're going to need about 1½ large dill pickles, chopped as finely as you like. You're going to need about 1 cup of green onions sliced. You're going to need about 6 hard-boiled eggs, finely chopped. You are going to need 1 cup of light mayo from Kroger and about 1 cup of the Greek yogurt, and then I have about 5 tablespoons of the German mustard, and of course salt and pepper to taste. All right, this macaroni salad only has 3 points per serving, and each serving is about 3/4 of a cup. So you got your cooked pasta. You're going to take your pickle. Now some of you may prefer sweet pickles, and that's just fine. You just have to figure the points for those. And then you're going to take your green onions. You're going to dump them. Your eggs. Yum. Dump, dump, dump. You're going to take your mayonnaise and Greek yogurt mixture. And finally, your mustard. Now, I like really spicy mustards, so I tend to go for the German mustards a lot. Some of you may not like that, and so you can just plan accordingly. Now, because this makes a ton of food, you could very easily cut this in half. But since we're doing this for a brunch collaboration, I figured y'all would be feeding more than 2 people or 6 or whatever. So I decided to make it a good size. Also, the Fiber Gourmet pasta has fewer points than regular pasta. You can certainly make the same salad with regular pasta. You just need to adjust the points for your measurements, because those are going to be different a little bit. Now, it's always smart to taste test these things. So, I'll use this spoon once and get rid of it. That, my friends, is a delicious macaroni salad. Okay, for this taco pie, you're going to need self-rising flour, some fat-free cheddar cheese. I have 1 pound of ground chicken, the taco seasoning of your choice. I am using Tastefully Simple Magic Chicken Taco Seasoning Blend. It is wonderful. You need some taco sauce, and because my family has wimpy little tongues, ours is mild. You're also going to need the fat-free, sugar-free, plain yogurt of your choice. And I'll show you how it all goes together. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to take your 1 pound of ground chicken and put it in a hot pan. And because I grind my own chicken, there's no fat in it. So I did put a teaspoon of olive oil in the pan. Okay, so here's the 2-ingredient dough. I made it while my chicken was cooking. And now I'm going to roll it out to fit into this pie plate. You will want to spray your pan with non-stick cooking spray as well. When you're rolling out dough, whether it be regular pie crust or any kind of dough, you want to make sure that it's a little bit bigger than your pan, most of it, so that you can get a good crimp on the edges. My mother used to be able to do this with a perfect circle, and I still don't know how she did that, but that's okay. It all tastes good. Now, since regular pie crust, you wouldn't need to put in a non-stick cooking spray because of the fat content, but because this has no fat in it, then you do need to provide that, because otherwise you're going to have one stuck pie. And you do not want a stuck pie. Now, since this has a rising agent in it, you're going to want to prick the bottom of your pie crust with a fork. It'll help keep it from bubbling up too much. You want to do the sides as well. Okay, that should do it. We're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes until it's lightly brown. I'll be right back. While that is baking, I've measured out 4 ounces of fat-free cheddar cheese. Okay, 4 ounces of that. Then you need a 1/2 cup of, I chose to use yogurt for this, but you can use fat-free sour cream, or a 1/2 cup. And you need a 1/4 cup of taco sauce, which I'm gonna eyeball. You need to mix those together. And this is going to be the topping on your pizza, or your pie. Okay, we'll set that aside. All right, now, when you pull this out, you want to make sure that it is browned around the edges, and that when you look at the bottom, it's also browned. Otherwise, you're gonna have a soggy crust, and you do not want a soggy crust. So the next thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna just put all of your meat in there. Spread that around evenly. Man, you guys, if you could smell this, you'd be so darn happy. And you're going to sprinkle your cheese over the top of that. And you're gonna bake that for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, that is now out of the oven, and look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? Now the next thing that you're going to do, you're gonna spread your sour cream or Greek yogurt and taco sauce mixture over the top of your pie.